This is some more furniture building. So I wanted to make a table and a set of chairs. So I had these scrap blocks, and these seemed like they'd be perfect size for legs for a table. But they were just a little too short. I had to add some extra wood. I already made these chairs out of some old Jenga blocks and some craft sticks. I have this large piece of thin plywood, so these longer leg pieces will need a extra piece to make them long enough where my action figure's legs can go under the table. I decided to use these little square wood blocks in place of those other ones, since I have more of these than I do the other blocks, and it seems like it'll make it the right size. I used some of these Jenga blocks to create some chairs to go with the table. It was pretty easy to make. I just glued 4 of these together and then measured out some craft sticks about 3 inches, so the seat sits about 3 inches high. That seems to work really well for chairs, well, in my experience. And it's a pretty easy build to make, just gluing the seat to a couple of craft sticks. That does a real simple chair. I gave it a coat of paint. I just went with a brown paint and painted it all. I did add a couple of extra pieces to the legs to give them a little bit more strength. But in all, this was a pretty easy build, and it was fun to do. I made 4 chairs. It's a pretty large table, so it'll be great for all sorts of settings and story scenarios I could come up with. And I've been wanting to do this for a while. I enjoy making things, so this was a fun project to do. Anyways, it was a pretty easy project to do. It's always fun to build things. Looking forward to being able to use this in some future story scenarios. Well, that's all I have for you. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. And don't forget to click that like button. That really helps my channel out. Share this video if you think you know somebody who could enjoy it. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And don't forget to collect, inspire, and create. I'll see you in the next video.